Thank you for joining my vlog. We are in the middle of doing my 12 days of Christmas. Different content, most of them related to travel, some not. So definitely after this video, check out the other videos that I'm posting right now daily. If you remember, there was a TikTok trend where somebody would take a painting, old painting of anything really from Value Village and transform it. So this is my Halloween trend. Now I actually at the same time bought a second painting, but because I couldn't decide, and this is it. This is a print more than painting, loving it. It's actually really adorable. So I want to do it for the Christmas time. I want to paint on top of it. I want to make it nice and pretty, possibly some glitter. So let's see what I can do. Oh, here's the setup. I'm gonna use my camera right here. This is gonna be where I'm working. This is gonna be where my paints go. I unfortunately don't have a proper palette, so I'm gonna make do. This is all of the paints that I have so far. By the way, the Starbucks cup over there is my water so that I can just throw it out. Don't need to clean nothing. Different greens, different reds, white, black, a lot of glitter. Oh yeah. This is also gold. Yeah, also don't know what to do. Roughly, I think I know what I want to do, but you will see in a second. So the main thing I need to start with is the white base. So this, I want the white, I might need to do a couple of layers. I want all of the things that would be coming out, like the little ledges. I want them all in snow. I definitely hope you also get inspired and you go to your Value Village or try to find something along these lines and have fun. It's really pretty easy, isn't it? So first starting with snow, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. Such a fun little theme. And yes, icicles, icicles, icicles. For that, actually, let's go with a smaller brush. So icicles are of course thicker at the top, and then they become very thin and pointy. How it's looking so far. I just added lots of snow and another layer. I added snow at the bottom because there's got to be snow there. Not totally sure what to do with the table yet. It will come to me. So yeah, I think next I'm gonna do some green. So I'm going for the Christmas tree garlands over here, of course, painting over the flowers. Look at that little cute dog. Ooh. This over here is gonna be one of those circular wreaths. Yeah, I think it's best to start with a darker layer and then on top you're gonna put a lighter green. I think it will give it more dimension. So I noticed that I need to go pretty dark in terms of the green, and then on top I'm gonna start adding things, because when I was just doing light green, can't see anything. So I added some greenery here, a little bit on the top over there, over here, of course this wreath, and now I'm thinking of a Christmas tree right here. I think that's logical. Just right in the middle of the street. So we have a tree here, and we have a cute little one here in a pot. Starting to add yellow into the green to make the highlight, the lighter greenery on these guys. It's looking really nice. I just need to add berries, and I think we're gonna be done with at least the greenery. I do want to start maybe on a gnome over here, thinking what else could it be? Some kind of character. I need a character. So over here, I went to my local Winners or Marshalls if you're in the States to get some inspiration because they have so many Christmassy things right now. I thought might as well. So over here, I like pine cones and the white on them. I think I'm gonna use that. I like the berries, the red berries over there, of course. I like this black bow and the greenery going down and also the pine cones. Really liking this penguin and the gnome. Very adorable. I like the Santa's feet over there, but not sure how that can work. Over here I returned from my store trip and I think I'm gonna place the gnome right here in the entrance because if like it makes no sense for him to be sitting down because it's cold on one of those chairs, so maybe he's just coming out of the store. Over here I'm using the white. I'm only blocking this so that when I put red on top of it, it looks brighter, and some actual white on top of the tree to imitate the snow. And here it's time for some red. Red definitely liven up things. It is definitely becoming more Christmassy. My gnome is coming together. I still need a few details. I added that red ribbon on the entrance over there, and some of the holiday ornaments are red. Also adding this white kind of texture, same as during the visit on the pine cones. I think it makes the pine cones actually look like pine cones. And highlights on the ornaments, making them look also kind of more shiny and alive. Now here's the gold. I feel like this was more of a paste than a paint. It's more 3D, but it still worked. And I did some of the ornaments in the gold. So this is where I'm at now, looking so cute. My gnome is looking a little better. I need to do more work over here. These guys look cute. I think I'm happy. This I'm definitely happy. I did some detailing. So over here, I want to have glitter. And on these lines of the tree, I want to have glitter. I have this glue. I used it for molding on my wardrobe. And that's the only glue I have. And I'm gonna put glue here. And then this guy is gonna go on top and hopefully look great. So while doing those ornaments, I decided I needed more glitter because you can always have more glitter. So over here on the Christmas tree outside, there are ribbons on it. And I thought, why not make those ribbons gold? Loving how it turned out. I had to reapply glue a couple of times, but I do love how it turned out. And I also added over there at the tops a little bit of sparkly so that we have a bit of a sparkly section on the top as well. And here's the final result. I absolutely love it. It's so Christmassy. It's so festive. I hope you try it out. There are so many wonderful artworks in the secondhand stores that you can just fairly easily make your own. And here's a quick reminder of how it looked before, and over here, of course, is the after. Hope you enjoyed this artsy DIY vlog. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. Thank you. Bye.